Yes, I'll go ahead and do this video. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am finally getting around to showing you guys what is in my Ipsy bag, in my Ipsy Glam Plus bag for the month of September. I guess it's better late than never, so if you're ready, then I'm ready, so let's get started. Before we get started, I do want to say welcome to all of our new family members out there, and in case you're not familiar with me yet, my name is Leah Garrett and I'm a cruelty-free makeup and beauty reviewer. I'm a makeup enthusiast, a plus-size beauty, and a PNH and ITP fighter. If you'd like to know more about those two diseases, there are videos down below in my playlist that you can check out. Also, while you're at it, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to join the fam and hit that notification bell, therefore you know when I'm posting, even though I mainly post on Tuesdays and Fridays. Also, give this video a like while you're at it. Yes, I know I am stupid late when it comes to showing you guys what's in my Ipsy bag for the month of September. As I stated in my last video, the review for the Rebel Rouge Labs Howling for You, I was in super vacay mode when I came back from Nag's Head and I didn't want to do squat. So, yes, but it's better late than never, I guess. So let's go ahead and see what Ipsy gave us, or gave me, not y'all, but me, for the month of September. Alrighty, we're going to go ahead and we're going to start with the regular glam bag. I did take it out of the mailer, but I didn't, my nose itches, someone's saying about me, but I didn't see what was inside. I actually do kind of like this month's bag. It's like a corduroy fabric, and I like the color scheme of it. It's really nice, really different. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. Let's get the card out first. This month's theme is good vibes. Okay, it's still September when I'm filming this, so may not be September when I post it, but y'all get it. This month, radiate positivity. From trying a bold new hairstyle to finding the perfect fall lip color, when you embrace the season of change with it I got this attitude, the results will be out of sight. There's that. And of course, the pick your item. I cannot, speaking of hairstyles, I really cannot wait to cut my hair. Look at how dead my ends are. My hair is so thin, it just looks redonk when it's long. I need to shorten it up. As you guys know, the pick your item for your next bag's already passed. I do apologize. I think the hubster might be coming in. Maybe not. All right, so let's see what we got first. Okay, we have from Derma E. It is the Advanced Peptides and Collagen Serum. Improves the look of fine lines and wrinkles. 100% vegan, GMO-free, and cruelty-free. I have heard a lot about this brand, and I never really jumped on the gun to try it. So I think I'm going to try this one and see how it is, especially with my under eye wrinkles kind of getting a little... And please pardon my makeup. I tried out some new base products and they have done me dirty. Capital D-I-R-T-Y. Dirty. It's terrible. May look okay on camera, but in person it is a hot freaking mess. So yeah. But I'm kind of excited to try this out. Okay, next up, from Real Her, we have a Confidence in My Glow highlighter, and it doesn't say what shade it's in. Maybe it'll say on the component. Certified cruelty-free, paraben-free, Taupe-free, and gluten-free. Let's go ahead and see what she looks like. Ooh, I like this packaging, how it has the marble going on. This right here is not safe, though. It's like, I have to pick that off or something. I can melt it or something in production. I don't know. I guess the shade is Confidence in My Glow. It's a pretty champagne color. I think I'm going to pass this along to my nieces. I don't know. I might keep it. I like Real Her products, so I might keep this one. I don't know yet. I'm just not really fond of this little divot thing right here, so I'm just going to have to fix that. From Purlisse, we have the Youth Glow Vitamin C CC Cream, SPF 50 with vitamin C and hyaluronic acid, color correcting, brightening, and age defying. I love Purlisse. I really do like their BB cream. I have tried it out, and I know a couple of you guys wanted me to talk about that BB cream because I think I got it 2 or 3 months ago in my Ipsy bag. It actually gives a nice light coverage on those days where you don't want to wear like a butt ton of makeup, and it makes your skin just look so smooth and flawless. It looks really, the BB cream is really, really good. So I am really excited to try the CC cream. Ooh, it is the item that I picked. It is from Pacifica, and it is the Desert Sunrise Matte Blush and Bronzer. Let's go ahead and open her up. I know I'm going to keep this. Ooh, this is pretty. Now, the last time I got a bronzer blush, or it might have been a highlighter and a blush from Pacifica, it had rose in it. And you guys know I can't use rose products on my face. My face will boycott off my body, but this is really pretty. I like this peachy color. I'm more into peachy purple mauvey blushes, so this is right up my alley. And the best thing I like about this is that it has a mirror on the back, so I'm really excited for this one. And the last item, this is, I thought this was a lip balm for a second. It is from Tarte, and it is a sample of the Big Ego mascara. I have the full size. I really do like it. I'm going to pass this along to my niece because she loves dipping into mascaras and whatnot. But yeah, I do like this mascara. It's really, really good. I am going to clean all this up, then we're going to see what is in my Ipsy Glam Plus bag. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and dive into this bag. I really do like these bags because I was able to store all my brushes that I wanted to take with me to Nag's Head in the one that I got last month. So if you're looking for something to hold your brushes or your makeup in, these are amazing. Absolutely love it. The card is the same. There's no product information, so I'm going to have to get the prices off of the app, which is fine. I'll go through all that in a minute. So let's go ahead and see what we got first. Okay. Looks like we have a brush from Complex Culture. It is the Press and Set and Bronzer brush. The only thing I don't like about this bag is that it does give off some fuzzies. It says this 2-in-1 brush helps you achieve a soft finish and glow. Don't sweep. Press the flat side into skin to set the powder. Use tips to apply bronzer, sculpt in cheeks, and blend. Okay. It is vegan and cruelty free. I think I have another brush from this brand, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, I have this brush from them that I got in the Ipsy bag. This is the Precision Concealer brush, and I actually don't use it for concealer. What I use it for is to set my powder underneath my eyes. You got a brush guard on it. Ooh, this is nice. It is nice and fluffy. I could see it being more of a setting brush than a bronzer brush. I can't talk. Or maybe a blush brush. I don't know. But the bristles are really soft. I really do like this. I like the handle of it because it has a nice firm grip to it because it's more of like a rubbery texture. But this is a really nice brush. I really do like this. Okay, next up. Okay, looks like we have a set of face mask sheet masks from the brand Star Skin. I have used their sheet masks before. This is their firming biocellulose face mask. That's what that looks like. And then this is a peeling mask foaming peeling puff. That is interesting. Oh, you actually pour. Okay. This is weird. Okay, so there's two different things in here. There's the peeling liquid, and there's the puff that, wow. Okay, and you can use this up to 3 times. That is weird. I'm really gonna have to try this. I might have to try this out on camera so to show you guys how this works, because that seems really interesting to me. Ooh, from Leah Garrett, I can't talk. We have the Spackle Mist Restore Coconut Water Prime, Set, and Refresh. Little known fact, I loved her original Spackle Mist. That used to be my holy grail prime and set spray for the longest time when I first started getting back into makeup. So I am really excited to try this out. Coconut really doesn't bother my skin all that much, just rose does, but I am super stoked to try this. Alrighty, next up we have a lip gloss from Ofra in the shade Truffle. It's like a brownie type lip gloss with some glitter in it. Super pretty. I know I will use that. You guys know I'm a sucker for browns. I don't know what it is. Ooh, it smells good too. Kind of smells like a little piece of truffle candy. Okay, and last we have from the brand Context. It is the Vitamin C All Day Eye Cream. I have never heard of this brand before. It says it's made in Canada. So I don't know if they're cruelty free or not. I will have to look it up and pop it at the bottom of the screen. If they are cruelty free, I don't think I'm going to keep it because I have so many eye creams right now. So it'll probably go into a giveaway box, or into the giveaway box I have. And I am going to clean all this up. I'm going to look up the prices of these products and I will be right back. Alrighty, let's go ahead and get into these prices. I'm going to start with the regular glam bag first. Now, these prices are for the full-size products. As you know, Ipsy gives the regular glam bag is sample sizes. So, let's go ahead and get into it. The Derma E Serum for a 2.0 fluid ounce bottle is $36.50. The Pacifica Desert Sunset, now this is actually a trio. It does come with a highlighter and it retails for $18. The Purlisse CC Cream for a 1.4 fluid ounce tube, because it does come in a tube, is $38. The full size Real Her highlighter is $25, and the full size of the Tarte Big Ego mascara is $23. Now for the prices for the Glam Plus box or bag or whatever you want to call it. The Star Skin Duo retails for $17.25, which is pretty steep for 2, but considering what this thing does and that you can use it 3 times, maybe worth the price. Like I said, I'm going to try this on camera to see how this works. The Context Skin Eye Cream, this is a full size for $24.50. And it is only 0.5 fluid ounces. That is a lot of money for that little amount of eye cream. The Leah Garrett Spackle Mist is $32, which is, it's always been that price. The Ofra Lip Gloss is $15. This brush is $35. One brush. What is it with Ipsy and these expensive brushes? I don't get it. I don't get it at all. And I do want to let you guys know that Ipsy actually picked all of my products for my Ipsy Glam Plus box. I'm really excited of the products that they chose for me. I actually really like this month. And that's shocking because it's been a couple months that I've actually been wowed by what I've been given, but I really do like the assortment of products that I got this month. I think the only thing I'm not going to keep is the Big Ego sample because I already have the full size. And depending on, well, it doesn't even matter if it's cruelty free or not. I'm not going to keep the eye cream because I have so many as it is. I will post a link down into the description box if you want to sign up for Ipsy Glam Plus, or Ipsy Ultimate, the big kahuna of Ipsy. It is a referral link. I don't earn any money off of it at all whatsoever. It's just there if you guys want to sign up. And that is all that I have for you guys today. Don't forget, all my social media handles will be down in the description box. Come on over. We have fun on those pages as well. I do not, however, have a Twitter account, so if you happen to see one with my face and this gorgeous smile, report it because it's fake. Also, all the products that I use to make this makeup look will be down in the description box as well. I love y'all so much, and I will see y'all next time. Bye! I'm so ready to take this makeup off, especially these lashes. They're kind of bothering me today. I don't know why. We're gonna go now to clean everything up and